Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to pause video recording on iPhone. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Apple has added to iOS 18 the ability to pause and resume video recordings. This is a game changer, especially for those of you who like to capture long videos in multiple takes, or need to take a break during a recording. Let's start by opening the camera app on our iOS 18 device. Now I'm going to tap the red record button to start recording a video. See this new pause button? Let's tap it to pause the recording. Now I can tap the record button again to resume recording where I left off. This is great for capturing multiple takes of a scene without having to start over from the beginning. If you need to take a break during a long recording, you can pause and resume without losing your progress. Having the ability to pause and resume gives you more flexibility when editing your videos. Before resuming, you can tap the play button to preview the recorded portion. Keep in mind that this pause feature works with time-lapse and slow-mo modes as well. So there you have it. The new pause feature in iOS 18 makes video recording even more convenient and flexible. So that's basically how you pause video recording on iPhone. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.